Saturday morning. Football is finished for the morning. We have this. We're going camping. We need to replace this. And that's just the beginning. First, gotta get it off, which means getting into there. Now it's so old, I could pretty much rip it off, but I'm not going to, in case that doesn't fit. I've got to be a little bit careful. I prefer just to rip it off. I'm tempted, but I won't. Looks the same. The good news is it fits.
The new water thing. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the new one.
This is the new one.
I like this.
Yeah.
Pump, pump, pump.
Hopefully it'll work.
Yeah.
It wasn't working before because the flat tyre ripped the pipe underneath and I had to replace that, and now that's not working. So hopefully I replace that and it'll work. That?
What's this?
Where? Oh, wasp nest.
Are we gonna get it away? That would be wasp nest.
I'll get rid of it. Let's go.
No wasps in there.
No wasps in there. All done. Looks good.
I hope this is gonna work.
So hope this is going to work. There it is. Can I have that? I'll put this. Watch. See if it fits. Just fits.
And then we can get the water in.
That's right. Then we can get the water in.
We have to attach it to.
And then you can see if we can pump some water and see if it works. Okay? Do this.
Why?
Yeah, so that hasn't worked. So we're going theory 396.
It's pretty hard, hey Dad.
Is it going in?
Push. That's it. That's it. It's pretty good. The main test now is we've got to go put water in it. And we're going to put some water in this and see if it works.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work, I don't know. It's going to work. It'll work.
Yeah.
Will work?
Get it right, we'll get it working.
Perfect. Okay, turn the tap on. Is it on? Yeah. It's not leaking. So far, so good.
Yeah, and we got it done. Yeah.
Test run. Yoo-hoo! We have water. I'm happy.
We go up there. And then I can get. Oh, yoo-hoo!
Hey!